I'm gonna give you a review on the Proform 505 CST Treadmill. You've probably seen this video right here where me and my wife and my son, we put the treadmill together and we took this treadmill upstairs. There was a lot of work involved in this, but I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. When we put this thing together and we start using it, it was kind of loud. I thought maybe it was normal for this treadmill, but it was really not loud because you could be upstairs and you can hear the treadmill whining and squeaking a little bit. And about a week and a half later, the belt slipped off of the track and got damaged. So just having this thing less than 2 weeks, it wasn't usable. It was loud. The belt had slipped off the track. So what we did, we took this thing apart, which was a lot of work, and put it back in the box and took it back to Academy and got a refund. And while we was there, we went on an upgrade and paid like $100 extra and got the Proform Carbon TL. And this one wasn't too bad to put together. It's pretty similar to the other one, so it didn't take us that long. But this one works a lot better. I don't recommend either one of them. I think this is the only thing that they had left. A lot of people have been buying treadmills, but that's my review. I do not care about that particular treadmill. The first one we bought, the 505. So if you guys got better experience with it, then let me know. But I would not waste my money getting another one. Go ahead and pay the additional money like I did and get the Carbon TL. It works a whole lot better. I don't have no complaints about it. It's not loud. It runs smooth. So that's my review. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.